Hey everyone. Ever wonder how AI chatbots like ChatGPT can write essays, code, or even tell jokes? It's all thanks to something called a large language model, or LLM. But what does that actually mean? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. A large language model is a type of artificial intelligence that's trained on massive amounts of text. Think books, websites, articles, and more. Just massive amounts. It learns patterns, sentence structures, and even context, allowing it to generate human like responses. Think of it like autocomplete on steroids. When you type on your phone and it suggests a word, it's predicting what comes next based on past patterns. An LLM does the same thing, but with way more data and way more complexity. And because it's trained on such a wide range of topics, it could write emails, it could summarize articles, it could help you with your homework, it could even help you write code. But here's the catch: an LLM doesn't think like a human. It doesn't understand meaning the way we do. It just predicts what words should come next based on probabilities. That's why sometimes it just makes up facts. These are known as AI hallucinations. So next time you chat with AI, just remember, you're not talking to a real brain, just an advanced word prediction machine. If this helps clear things up, drop a like and follow the channel for more quick tech breakdowns. And since it's Super Bowl week, go Birds.